Welcome back. So what we've done so far is we realize we have to go here. We realized that there's a very strange thing going on for the SAP adjusted prices. We see that that translates into an annual volatility of 102%, which is an indication of a data error in Yahoo Finance database for adjusted prices. And where's the mouse? Here's the mouse. All right, so what do we do now? Let's just plot the time series of Z-scores of all the European firms. Let's just see what we can learn from that. So here we go. Yeah, we just say plot Z of RD. All right, let's just do it. We got the matplotlib library already loaded. So we have plt.figure. Let's have a fixed size of 15 times 15 and plt.plot. On the x-axis, we plot the time series at the time points, rd.index. And on the y, we have the stats.z-score of rd. It's a simple picture. And let's just see what we get. Here's what we get. All right, so these are the Z-scores. If the returns are Gaussian distributed, what's the Z-score interval? Plus minus 3. All right, so we clearly see there are quite some 8+ standard deviation events to the positive and to the negative. Here we see the COVID episode. We see the European debt crisis, which doesn't show up that dramatically here, but if we zoomed in, we would see these are some standard deviation events away from 3. Financial crisis, 2008, 2009, that big thing looks like a data error, but it's the Volkswagen short squeeze. And then here, these green dots, boom, 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 boom. These are the SAP data errors. So in the next video, I'm going to provide a quick repair. All right, so talk soon.